Hello everyone. We're going to take one more look at commas because we have a couple of more things to learn. We talked about when you have a part that tells when or where or why at the beginning of a sentence, like luckily, you follow it with a comma. There's a few other times that I want you to pay attention to commas. Here's one. When you have an interruption in your sentence. An interruption is something you could take out and your sentence would still make sense. And also, you know it's an interruption because when you're reading the sentence, you pause. My brother and I, silent phantoms, slipped out of the house. Okay? So you want to make sure that you have commas around your interrupters. Also, you want to make sure that you don't have a comma and an and in the same place. That and naturally provides a pause. So you can say, my brother and I, pause, silent phantoms, pause, slipped out of the house and no one stirred to stop us. The word and provides you with a natural pause. So make sure you don't have a comma right in front of an and. Here's another example of an interrupter. I woke up last year on New Year's Day to a house filled with sleepers of all ages. Then we have an interrupter. They were worn out from sledding, bonfires, and fireworks. That's why we have this comma. But this comma right here is because we have a series of three. Sledding, comma, bonfires, and fireworks. So sledding, bonfire, fireworks. That's our list of three. Between the first two items in a list of three, sledding and bonfires, we indicate the pause with a comma. During the last two items in a list of three, bonfires and fireworks, we indicate the pause with the word and. So every time we have a list of three, we're going to have item 1, comma, item 2, and item 3. So here are two things I would like you to look for to correct commas. If you have an interrupter in a sentence, make sure it's marked off by commas. If you have a list of three, make sure you have the right pattern, comma, and. Lastly, make sure that you don't have the word and with a comma right in front of it in any sentence. Okay, go ahead and check your commas.